Hey there! Today we are going to show you how to properly store your freehand ink. We have been getting a lot of questions regarding this issue, so we decided to make a little video about it. So obviously if you're going to store your freehand ink, you're going to have to make an actual design first. So you're going to unscrew your lid and then put on the bottle tip like so, and then remove the rubber tip and create your masterpiece. Beautiful. Now, all you have to do is put the rubber tip back on the bottle, and that's it. Simple as that. Now, here's what you shouldn't do. You should not put the cap back on, okay? I repeat, do not put the cap back on, because that symbol will pop up and that sound will happen. Why can't I put the cap back on? Great question. If you put the cap back on, too much oxygen will get into the tip and it will stop any ink from coming out, no matter how hard you squeeze. See? And then you'll get super mad. So follow those easy steps and everything will be A-okay. Thanks for watching.